Alright. I same night but a different day. Or different day but a same night. Alright, same night but it's a different video. But guess what? We are gonna play a few videos. And we're gonna read some comments. You know the comments are sometimes even funnier than the videos. Alright, so this is an original video for this sound we wanna listen to a while ago. Or last night. Or yesterday. Although yesterday is still the same way.
Tap, drink the rum until like pan people after you don't drink.
Bruh.
See how you look on your rotted clout. Look at the bush and carry your damn weight. Now you go drink so you can't carry. Rotted clout in turnover. Kid, pick up yourself. Look how you carry yourself. Phoebe go dirty man.
You dirty pussy was grandpa give me money.
Put on a stone. Yourself, if you try pick up, you pick up stone.
Oh shit.
Look on your damn head. But you cap there.
Got it.
You know the 14 that you cap.
Got it.
Boy, I tell you, me no know. And when you go do better. Eh? Them the people that walk over here, you know. Me tell myself, say, from the other day, at the last $100 they get from me.
Huh?
You stand there, you hear no gather your senses. How old are you get? Nobody know up there with you. Fix up yourself. Ross, me don't try to you.
Grandma need to start giving money. Anytime I leave here, grandma search in pocket and emptied. Shell out in pocket. So when he go a bar, a matter of fact, you know say, they ain't gonna trust him the room. Just keep him at home. Cause once he leave the yard, he might go to the rum bar. And once he go to the rum bar, you have to go search for him and find him. And you're gonna probably find him in the bush. And then we're gonna have a next video like this. Oh my gosh. What kind of rum cause this? A JB, John Krabati, or Ray and his nephews them and other combolos. Or one of them grandpa drink Hennessy. You see Hennessy and the rum cream I mean I telling about yesterday. A wicked combination that you know. You drink that and going to your wife a problem. Anyways, let's go in the comment section. Tolo drunk again to Red Hills Road. Oh my god, Tolo. You need to stop drinking, mate. Rotted clot. Him turn over. Come pick up yourself, boy. Hey, really and truly, rum turn big man na boy, you know. If you're a big old dirty man. Jamaicans are easy, you know. Me need to see her. She's hilarious. A true man, grandma. Grandma speak the truth and grandma funny. And grandma not cuss nobody would know. You want him right. Hey, this man not take no warning, man. Who behind the voice? Grandma. Grandma she name or grandma we call her. Somebody say murder. With one laughing emoji. Granny, you can't beat him. Don't tell the lady elderly abuse that if grandma beat her elderly husband. Me at work, but me can't hold the laugh. Oh, my belly. Hey, me no dey at work, me dey at me yard, but me still a laugh. Me love this with one laughing emoji back a hit. Love this lady. I love her too. I mean, I know her. What is this now? Pick up yourself. I'm going to read the last comment. I know. I love this lady so much. I wish I could see her. I'm going to leave Granny alone. Granny not show her face. I know say Tolo need to leave the rum alone. Because the rum not leave him, you know. On to the next video.
I will be getting married August. But I'm planning my wedding on Zoom. So that everybody can eat their own food from home.
Let's run it back.
I will be getting married August. But I'm planning my wedding on Zoom. So that everybody can eat their own food from home.
A mean, or is he a wise man? I think it's the latter. He's a wise man. Man say, oh, my married, on the turn on the front camera, on the see what I go on, and then when a reception time, y'all eat your food at home. And just give me an idea. The next time I get married, upon Zoom I get married. A matter of fact, I'm gonna get married on what is this? YouTube Live. And I'm gonna invite all you 34 subscribers. A matter of fact, Only person them who watch the long form videos, so that around 300 persons are gonna be invited. Anyways, we're going to the comment section. I mean, no, so the comment section are going nice. Somebody say really planned in. Don't mind the wedding gifts. They will also be on Zoom. Bap, bap, bap. That's a disadvantage. I like the one there. He might be onto something. When me say, upon live me I get married the next time. This makes so much sense. Hey, for all the cheap people them. But a cheap if you really get married on Zoom. No. You're smart. This makes plenty of sense, somebody say. Do it on TikTok so they can send you the wedding gifts. Hey, that's a smart idea. Watch out, man. Why is he not the president of this country? Because this country does not have a president. We have a prime minister. This is really a good idea. Yes, it is. That not sound too bad for real, uncle. May I tell you? I scream when I heard planned in. What the freak? I say name, alright. Is that slang when you use? I see a lot of that in the comment section. Somebody said this really isn't a bad idea. I agree. Why didn't I think of that first? Well, Mama, because you're not. What's my name? You're not Mark. Oh my god. A Zoom wedding original. Yep, I first of its kind. Beautiful. Can't wait so we can dress up for the Zoom wedding. We're gonna do it on TikTok or YouTube. So to send the gifts. Yeah, you can send gifts on YouTube. Yeah, send in the comment section. My cousin did a Zoom wedding. The worst wedding ever. We wear anything. One woman there, grave digging. And a self on Zoom in the woman wedding ceremony. Let me read that. Let me read that again. My cousin did a Zoom wedding. Laughing emoji. The worst wedding ever. We wear anything. And one woman there grave digging a self on Zoom in the woman wedding ceremony. Oh my gosh. That is so Jamaican. Anyways, we're gonna end the video right there. So I know I laugh, but while you know I laugh, just like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Share the video upon your Facebook, share it upon your TikTok, share it upon your Instagram, share it with somebody on your WhatsApp, share it with somebody in your message. And leave a comment. Flood the comment section with a favorite comment or on a favorite video or something. Even if it does heal me up. Now stay safe. God bless.
I will be getting married August, but I'm planning my wedding on Zoom so that everybody can eat their own food from home.